Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in.
स्ट्रेस लेवल्स बहुत ही ज्यादा बढ़ गए हैं क्योंकि अब वक्त हो गया है टू सबमिट देयर क्रिएशंस.
It can be easily worn into a bar party kind of thing, and you can remove the outer jacket and get into your bathing suit, sunbathing suit, and lie down at the beach for as long as you want.
I am very confident about my garment. It's very nicely done and the design is also very sexy.
I have a very cute bikini inside which is fluorescent green and has all floral textures and everything. And I've also done a cute badge which is fish shaped and is green on one side and black and white on the other.
एक शॉर्ट ड्रेस है जिसके ऊपर एक बिकिनी टाइप टॉप है, उसके साथ अटैच एक स्कर्ट है.
Person who's going to bar can wear the jacket and just roam around, you know, it's just the shorts are visible. And once you go on the beach, you know, you just take off the jacket and just roam around in your bodysuit, which is very nice, you know. So that's what.
Bar to beach is all about having fun and being yourself, carefree and at ease. And all of that is been seen in my garment.
गारमेंट्स मैंने बनाया है वो वेरी बीच वेयर है पहले, क्योंकि उसमें एक फ्लोई ड्रेस है और उसमें डिटैचेबल एक थिंग है वहाँ पे.
I've done this jumpsuit which is a little more stylized. I've taken the theme as scuba, the scuba silhouette which is very in trend for the upcoming season.
It had to be something which is very casual for the beach and yet very classic and elegant for a bar.
Sometimes आपको सिर्फ बीच पे वॉक लेने में मज़ा आता है या हल्के फुल्के पैर गीले करने में मज़ा आता है, ज़रूरी नहीं you swim. So that is my concept.
Can I wear this till then?
Yeah. I think it's cute. Too good, yeah. Nice, Chadai. Any alteration?
No.
Fine? Perfect.
This fabric you can cut it a little more.
Little more. Yeah.
Keep the size same, but cut the fabric according to the same.
Classy to show a little bit of bikini.
It's not classy.
टास्क की सबमिशंस तो हो गई, लेकिन अब बेसब्री से इंतजार है एलिमिनेशन राउंड का. Before that, we decided to have some fun with our contestants. तो हमने अरेंज करी है एक सरप्राइज विजिट from season 1 contestant Harsh. The contestants were in for a surprise. Harsh उनके creations को नहीं बल्कि उनके talent को देखना चाहते थे. And for that, he gave them only 15 minutes to prepare something. तो देखते हैं contestants उनको impress कर पाए या नहीं.
Something to do impress me right in front of me. What would you go ahead with?
I'll mimic Mithun Chakravarti.
Lady Mithun Chakravarti. Oh my God.
Oh no! Could you like tell me like some tata thing? I'll just pretend to do Kathak.
Yeah, I don't know, baby. Okay, do whatever.
It's like a poem that I've written for my parents. You're the pop to my tart, the only burst to my bubble, fruit to my loop.
Yes, it is enough.
Can I please have the answer?
You have to repeat the story, sweetie. I've forgotten.
Okay. There is this
No.
girl.
Let's not have that. What was that? Since the time I've come here, I've been eating a lot of food. I can see that.
I can do some salsa step.
Let's see that. You're Shakira Soni now onwards, you know. You're fantastic.
Dear Mom, even though I have not seen and heard from you for past few days, I still hear you every time, calling my name whenever I fall weak. When you watch this, you will realize that I'm not just myself, but an eternal part of yours. Your name gives me the strength whenever I fall weak. Thanks for being there, even if you're not there.
think that's very sweet of you, and you hold so much of love for her. I think it's great to see.